Introducing the Alu-Swiss, a small and versatile LED channel manufactured by LEDs On. Its small size makes it ideal for discrete lighting installations in various applications, such as under kitchen cabinets, retail store shelf lighting, vehicle lighting, marine boat, and dock lighting. The profile can also be paired with our universal hanging kit to create stunning pendant lights. Or it can be used as an edge-lit profile for acrylic signs and shelves. It fits 1/4 of an inch thick acrylic perfectly. The Alu-Swiss can accommodate LED strips no wider than 8 mm. When the light fixture will be visible, we recommend the IP20 White Iris series, which is available in 4 color temperatures. It can also be used for applications where the light fixture will be out of sight, or for edge-lit lighting. It also offers 3 LED density options for varying levels of brightness. For colored lighting, our Cosmos Series RGB strip is the way to go. It produces vibrant and dynamic colors, allowing you to create stunning lighting effects. The diffuser is available in 2 finishes: clear, which has the highest light output but is more prone to spotting, and opal, which lets through less light but minimizes spotting. They simply click into place. The Alu-Swiss is compatible with a snap-in base that makes installation and repairs easier. You can attach the base to a surface, using screws, adhesive, or even our industrial double-sided tape. Use the universal hanging kit to create stunning pendant light fixtures. Let's take a quick look at some of the accessories we offer, for use with the Alu-Swiss. Attach these end caps with silicone sealant to maintain waterproofness. The silicone sealant is used to attach end caps and seal wiring holes for waterproofing. It is available in clear and black color. We can resin fill the Alu-Swiss to create submersible lighting. Lighting this waterproof is ideal for docks, boats, and outdoor areas. We can also cut the profile to any specific length or angle you need. Just let us know in the order notes. If you would rather do the cutting on site, you can watch our video to pick up the best practices when cutting LED profiles. Note that we can powder coat the Alu-Swiss to a custom color if desired. If you're interested in using the Alu-Swiss for your LED projects, check it out on our site. If you have any questions, please reach out. We'll use our 20 years of LED expertise to assist you. Thanks for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we look forward to creating more like it in the future.